Let Excel be your calculator. With a simple formula, Excel can perform calculations on numbers using operators, such as the plus sign, and functions, such as sum. To add numbers, you use the plus sign. A formula always starts with an equal sign. If I then type a number, a plus sign, another number, and then press Enter, the cell displays the results. You can add many numbers this way, not just 2. Instead of typing numbers in a formula, you can reference cells that contain numbers to make adding a bit easier and more flexible. A4 is equal to 6. A5 is equal to 3. I'll create a formula that adds the cells. As with all formulas, I start again with the equal sign, click a cell, type a plus sign, then another cell, and press Enter. And if I change a number in a cell, the result of the formula automatically updates. When you double-click a cell, you can see right in the cell if it's a formula, like A6, or a number, like A4. Or you can click a cell and look up here in the formula bar. Subtracting is similar to adding, except you use the minus sign. Click a cell, then a minus sign, then another cell, and press Enter. Multiplying is similar to adding and subtracting, except you use an asterisk. Don't use an X for multiplying. That won't work. Click a cell, then an asterisk, then another cell, and press Enter. Dividing is similar to multiplying, except you use a /. Click a cell, then a /, then another cell, and press Enter.